So this is the second video of perfect local SEO website, which is fully compatible with the new AI mode. So in last video, I have showed you how you can go and create the perfect homepage using the help of AI and what are the exact sections you need to have on the website in a perfect order. So in this video, I'll show you how you can go and create a service page according to the new, get more visibility in the new AI mode. Let's go to the screen and I'll walk you through each section. So just look at here. For the home page, we had the same 18 sections, but the content of each section was different. But if you look at the service page sections, the content of each section is different. The hero section, obviously, every page start with the hero sections, then the overview sections. So we don't have the overview section on the home page. But like now we are talking about a specific service, so we need to provide some additional content or additional context about the service, which we are talking about on this page. As I told you, if you really want to get the best visibility in the AI mode, you need to provide the precise content about each section. So this is how we arrange all the sections in the perfect order and then try to provide as much as detailed content without adding like 2000 words of content additionally, which is don't require now. Then just after the overview sections, we talk about the USP sections, then sub services. So let's say if your main service of the page is talking about the water damage restoration, so now you need to talk about what are the sub services which comes under the water damage restoration. And if you don't know about them, you can directly ask ChatGPT, or you can go to your GBP profile and you can grab an entire list from there. Then the service areas where you are serving, the process, emergency tips, service specific reviews. Now just make sure all the reviews you have on the service page, they are mostly relevant main service, right? So let's say on the water damage restoration page, all the reviews you need to have they all should be relevant to the water damage restoration. Just try to make sure you are not adding mold removals reviews on this page. You are not adding fire damage related reviews on this page. Just try to keep your context of the page as much tight as you can, so that you are not diluting the authority and you are providing a solid piece of content to the Google's AI mode. And because of that, Google can reward in as a list your website in the sites. And the next section is talk about why you are best in the market, right? The insurance, area service map, prevention and maintenance section, educational content, additional services, commercial, residential, FAQ, and the final cities. Most of the sections are similar to the homepage section, but there are some major differences between these sections. So let me walk you through the page we have built for the service page. So hero section, then the first section is about the overview. So we provide some additional information, and if you look at all the detailing, just focus on the details. So now instead of just adding 500-700 words of content, we are just precisely providing the exactly like the combination of perfect entities with the data, so that if someone searches for anything related to the data or anything related to the water damage restoration services, all of these snippets can be used by Google's AI mode, and we can get more leads directly without doing anything or without doing any additional activity on the pages. Just look at the data here. Then why choose sections here? We are just providing as much low edge content, precise content, right, with the details like 2 hours, 30 minutes. These are 3 sub parts. So we try to keep our data as much as precise we can. Then these are some water damage restoration sub services. After the sub services, we talk about the Houston specific causes which lead to water damage, right? So heavy rainfall, overflow, high humidity, and all of these, right? Just look at all of this. Max to max, like 50 to 70 words. Max to max. We try to keep it as much simple as we can. And then if you look at the detailing part of all the pages, we just add something we directly get from the GPT, we directly get from the LLM models, right? If you go and do some research about the Houston city, they provide you these kind of details. So we directly added all the details to the pages. And then the six step process, all the details, we just added how we do, what we do, and when we do. We summarize everything in the 6 parts and clearly provide all the data, what we do, like these are the tips if they want to do. If they let's say it's a midnight time and there is no one can help them right now, what can they do right now to just avoid the situation or just avoid the big crisis? After that, we talk about about the emergency response. Then all the reviews are related to the water damage restoration, why we are best in the Houston water damage services. Just look at all the precise data. We talk about the insurance section, again the area we are serving. So just look at the data. All of these areas are the top areas and mostly recognized areas from all the LLMs, and the demand of water damage restoration related services in these areas are higher than compared to other areas. So we just only targeting all of the areas which are more sensitive related to water, flood and mold. Then in the next sections we provide something additional like related to the membership benefits, the protection plan and the cost of water damage. So all of these data are related, we took directly from biggest trusted sources and the general data. It was not mandatory to us to add the data, but we just try to provide as much as context related to the water damage restoration. So we just added the raw figure. And then education center, we just added some data, some states, type of water damage restoration, clean water, gray water, black water, and the additional restoration services. So these services, the purpose of adding the additional services to the main service page, better flow of links, better flow of indexing, and the searcher, if searcher can do follow-up questions about any of these service, ChatGPT or any other LLM model can continuously showing our website to, because of we have added all the data on the same page. Then we talk about commercial, we talk about the residential, and then the same thing. This time if you look at our FAQs, we do some tricks here. So FAQ about services and FAQ about insurance and cost, separate sections but in a same FAQ design, in FAQ sections. So this is it for the service page. This is the perfect way. Literally we spend more than 2 months of time doing the research and finalizing every section we need to have on the service page. Just share this video with who is doing website for you. You can reach out to them, share the exact framework with them so that they can go and make your website more attractive and make your website more optimized for the new AI mode. That's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, make it happen, and I will keep creating more content for you like this. Bye bye, take care.